what next we have to do, right?
Mm. Got it.
Yes. So yeah. So what is clone? So if for suppose
Yeah.
I'll ask you as a manager, if for suppose if I ask you to clone entire project, how would you do?
So clone is nothing but if there is some project in the cloud repository. So if we want to replicate the same sort of folders and the content in the folders, we can use the clone. From that option, we can take all the data in the cloud to local repository.
Okay.
So that's how we use clone.
So what is pull then? What is the difference between clone and pull?
So pull is like if there is like if you want to move from local repository to cloud repository,
Mm-hmm.
we can pull it. Either it is a file or a single line of code. We can pull from the local system to direct Git repository.
Yeah.
So mainly this cloud repository, why we pull is to get access to the number of people, um, like number of departments to meet all the requirements in the cloud itself.
Mm. Okay. So yeah. So for suppose you are as a for suppose there is a project, old project somewhere in your repository.
Okay.
So your machine is very fresh, correct?
Okay.
So you need complete project file, complete project source code.
Okay.
Okay. So somebody, you don't need to ask somebody to give this file, that file, this file, to share that, share in different methods like AWS EFS and all. So
Mm.
instead of doing that, so you are as a part of that project, you are actually collaborator with the project, right? So you'll have a particular access for, right. If you are a part of that project, definitely you will be a collaborator.
Mm.
So then you can able to clone. You'll have some repository, right?
Mm.
Link. With that link, you can directly clone it. Okay, using that repository link URL. Okay,
Yeah.
you will get entire project folder into your system. So
Yeah.
then what happens is whatever the previous already maybe whatever, if it is a final code or final project whatever, so that source code, final source code, you will get it into your system. Okay. Again, you if you want to do any changes in that, if you add any files or any code, anything else, again if you want to push it, you can do it. Correct. A clone pull in the sense, for suppose in the actually in running project I'm talking
Mm.
about, in running project, for example, there are two teams. Whenever the two teams collaborating each other, they are actually doing work on top of one project. So there are so if two developers are working on one topic, so then uh, one after the other, maybe one developer has been completed their work. Okay, after that remaining you want to continue next continuation part. So you need to pull that code,
Mm.
same code. Okay, you will pull the code and you will do the changes and you will do it. So there are lot more scenarios are there in pull. Okay, we can't say that exactly this will happen, but the
Yeah.
thing is, this is actually a basic, so pulling in the sense, maybe certain reasons like, there is a website. That website, two developers are working on top of one
Yeah.
page.
Yeah. Like
Okay.
instead of sharing more data, we can just share the code using Git with
Yes.
the required access. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So here is the thing. For example, two developers, front-end related developers are working on one page. For example,
Mm.
master page. On top of master page, you will have a bottom and a top. No, uh, top page will be there for website. For example, in the top page, header lines. There are header lines and something will be there like home button, and careers will be there, contact us will be there. Okay, these kind of activities some one for developer one is doing, and bottom related. For example, bottom. they want to keep some kind of address and phone number, all those together. So they are actually working together. So they are actually sharing the work together. So in that case, a first developer will complete maybe. So this task has been bifurcated. So this he has done actually first developer. So
Mm.
and also he is also doing the same work simultaneously. Correct.
Yeah.
So they want to merge it, correct? So they want to, they are actually using different code. They are actually working in different environment, but ultimately they want to keep in one project file, one line, one code, correct?
Mm.
In that case, first he will do it and he will send it to Git repository. Okay, the same file is actually, the page is same, content is same. Okay,
Mm.
but only the developer 2 has to add bottom lines of code. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, so in that case, yeah, what he will do is he actually first developer one is actually completed first initial what is that? What is it? Top header lines. Okay,
Mm.
he has done his work actually. So next what he will do is, okay, he will push it actually. He will push it into repository the same code. Again he will pull it. He will pull it and he will add extra lines of the bottom related work. Okay,
Mm.
this is one case, this just like example. Okay, there are multiple ways. Okay, if they want to pull it, yeah, they can pull it. And also other example I said, like previously, two different projects, two different teams are there for one project, like example India and USA. They are working two different timings, right? So initially, India people are working. So they are actually working in daytime and nighttime. They are a USA team. They will wake up, right? So it's two different time zones. So then they can share the code. Example, they actually completed in the first. Okay, remaining part they will pull it and they will try to add a more code, and this cycle will be happen process like this. So we can take a lot more examples. Not only these two. There are the cases scenarios will be different. You understood?
Mm.
So that's how this pull works. So difference is actually code sharing. For same code, two developers are working. If they, in that case, pull will rise.
Okay.
Okay. So clone in the sense it's a complete project repository.
Yeah, even with the
So
file layout.
yes. So
Okay. Got
the person can able to clone entire project into your local repository.
it. Okay.
Okay. For that purpose, for example, you are using somewhere, okay, your local system, for example, yours is actually Windows. In that Windows, you want that code actually, you want that project files. In that
Mm.
case, what you will do is you will open Windows, right?
Yeah.
Windows or whatever console is there, Windows console. You will use like simple git clone that repository. You will get it simply. You will get into your system that repository files and all.
Okay.
Clear. So I mentioned actually in previous, what is for switching the branch? What is the command?
Sorry for switching a branch.
Branch. For example, you are in a master branch. You want to switch into main branch. So what is the command?
Uh, the command is like git branch.
It will show branch of the git.
Yeah.
Branch. Current branch it will show. If you type git branch, it will show this, right.
Yeah. I think I forgot.
Yeah, yeah. So in that case, actually, there are two commands, but I don't know which command will not work. But I have seen somewhere you can use git checkout is a main command. Okay. For example, you are somewhere in master branch. Okay. So you want to switch into main branch. Clear?
Yeah.
So for that case, you can type use command git checkout main. Checkout.
Okay.
Checkout means what is mean in general terms in hotels also, and also
Like
you use, right?
entering into.
Yes. So checkout is entering into main. For git to checkout main, which means you are switching into main. Clear. So that is a command. Okay.
Okay.
So next, um, yes, merge. Did you hear about this merge?
Yeah. So merge is like if there is anything that we need to add, like dissolve into another, then we call it as a merge. Like
So
for
two
suppose,
different branches. If you want to merge two different branches,
yeah,
so you can merge it. That is a command actually. Git merge,
okay,
git merge and file name. Okay, so that is actually git merge. And the git conflict. Have you heard about this conflict? Which means, for example, um, developer one is there. Okay, as I said, actually both are working on same page. Okay, website of page website. So in that case, maybe both are actually working on same page, but the thing is they forgot to change. They did not discuss how to keep what kind of name to keep. For example, they are actually putting page, okay, front page. For example, this developer one is also keeping name called front page, and back developer two also keeping same name. So this then whenever developer one push the code, that will be go, okay. But whenever this developer two is trying to push or pull, okay, in that case, for example, he is also pushing, okay, he wrote something, he already pushed into same project, same branch, and developer 2 is also trying to push with the same name. So what will happen, there
okay.
will be a conflict.
There will be two commits at the same time.
Yes, so can you
Okay.
share your screen? So are you ready with your setup?
No, no.
Okay, let us do. So this merge conflict is important, so try to understand. I hope setup is everything ready. Earlier you installed everything, did right?
Yeah, yeah, but I thought we were just discussing. That's why.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay, fine. So yeah, we have very small topics only, but still, after finishing this, we'll also add a Docker as you wish. Okay. So yeah, we'll start Docker also, not a big deal. Okay. So initially, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
So we'll start some theoretical part related to Docker also. Before Docker, I think let's better we start shell scripting, right?
Okay. I
Uh,
think I forgot my password.
Sorry, you forgot it. Oh, it's okay. Try. So shell scripting, nobody is asking your project.
Uh, Shell scripting.
It's important. It's important, Rakesh. It's very important.
Okay.
Scripting. Have you heard about this shell scripting and bash scripting?
Yeah, yeah.
But as a DevOps engineer, you must learn about it. You need to be very much, very you need to be very much focus on it. Why? Because there are a lot more, you know, automations will be there.
Okay.
Okay. So for that case, definitely the shell scripting will be useful. And it is also similar, if you know shell scripting, you can understand Python as well,
Okay.
right? I'm not saying that code is similar, but almost you can understand it, right? So for DevOps, Python also important, shell scripting also important. So at least you need to have one scripting language. So before going to Docker, better we complete this.
Mm. Lokesh.
Yeah, yeah, I'm there. Yeah, I'm here only. Okay, good. Yeah, um, I think how to create conflicts. For example, it you do one thing. Git branch sequence. Okay, main branch. See, right? Um, you are going to create one file here. Vi file name. You can keep any name. Good, any name. Your wish. Okay. Uh, no, 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 no. Keep any names like pronouns. Like sorry, nouns. Anything like Raj, Ramesh, Harish, Somesh, whatever.
So.
Oh, okay. No problem. Keep here anything file content like you can keep the data inside like it is a red color or it is a blue color, it is yellow color like that. The same content should be there also. Okay, okay, copy this, keep a notepad, paste here. Yeah, so next what we will do is save this, git add dot or else you file name your wish. Okay, enter. Okay, good. Git commit hyphen m. You can keep the message anything like what is it related? Installation. Okay, enter.
Mm.
Okay, fine, that's fine. Now let's do one thing. We'll create another branch. Okay.
Okay.
Um, one second. Okay, sorry, actually getting message. Okay. Do one thing. Let's create a one branch. Branch name. Keep any branch. No problem. Um, Git branch. I'm thinking about name actually. You can keep feature FEATURE. Any name, it doesn't matter. FEATURE feature. This is also branch name. Okay. Enter. Okay. Check the branches. Git branch.
Yeah, future
Right?
and
So where you are in currently?
In main, I guess.
No guesses.
In main only because it's in star mark and green.
Yeah, star
Star
means
mark.
currently, right? Currently you are in main branch. The color is green, correct? So now you just need to switch. What is the command?
Get checkout main.
Yes, git checkout. Now no, you already in the main. So you need to
Okay.
check. You need to go to
Future.
future branch. How? Yeah,
Get
enter.
checkout future.
Yes, enter. So what is not get? It's git.
Sorry.
Git. So okay. Okay. Now check the git branch. Okay. Where are you now currently?
Future.
Where are you currently?
In future.
Okay.
Second.
So in this branch, try to create a file. So again,
Mm.
vi. Uh,
Any
keep
file.
no. Keep the same name only. Let's
Same.
keep the same name. Which means we are actually keeping the same name in different branches. Clear?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
But different content. So in this case, keep different content. Keep different content. Change any, or else you can add other. You can add something different. 1 second. Just quit out. 1 second. Quit out, Rakesh.
Yeah.
Just quit. Okay. So now we are currently you're in feature branch, right? Okay. But even though that's okay, that's all right. 1 minute. 1 minute. Check out. You also open feature. That's fine. Um. Okay. Open Raj file again. I'm sorry. What is it?
So,
So.
so.
Okay.
Okay.
Open so. I habituated some names. Repeating same content. Okay. Remove this. Keep some different content.
Oh.
Insert.
So tell me. This one.
Use delete. Yeah. Yes. Keep something different. This is you can write this is like a what branch? Feature branch. Something. Okay. That's enough. Enough. Save it. Okay. So this is now what you have to do. Just you need to add it, right? Git add so enter. Yeah. Commit hyphen m for message. You can keep here something different. This is feature. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now do one thing. Just now we'll match. First, you need to go checkout main. Git checkout. Git checkout main. Now git branch. Oh, that's good. Okay. Mm, so now do it. Git match. So enter. Not something we can match.
We cannot match.
Yes, we can add merge. Can you copy that and paste here? No, no, copy from root. So it should understand, right? Which command you have used, what is this? Paste here, enter. Okay. Means that Git does not recognize also as valid branch or commit that can be
It is
next.
thinking it's as a branch. So I think we need to give as a future, I guess.
Right. Do it with the feature. Yeah, yeah. I think, yeah, yeah. Sorry. That is actually file, right?
Yeah,
Sorry. I thought this branch. Okay, I've confused that branch name. Okay, git merge feature. New branch is feature only, right?
yeah. See,
Okay, fine. Okay, one file changed, two instructions, correct?
yeah.
Okay. Can you try with the git merge main?
Hmm.
Git merge. Try with main branch. Enter. Up to
Already
date.
updated.
Okay. So now what you will do is um, file also is there in same. Uh.
Let's see what the content is.
Wait. Content. Open the content in main. This is related to main, huh? Main, right?
Hmm.
So keep the content same. Both branches.
One second. Uh,
No.
change to
Now you are in main branch. Open VIS also.
one second. Let
You want to check out.
I want to switch
Switch to feature.
future.
Hit checkout.
Hmm. Okay, check out.
Feature. Okay, you switched. Currently you are in feature. Open. This is the content, right?
Same content in the.
Same content. Okay. The file is same, and that is the reason maybe it is taking only one file. Correct.
Okay.
So that is how no conflict happened. Okay.
Hmm.
Do one thing. Mm, so how to create a merge? That's what I'm thinking. I want to create one error issue. Let's create again.
Or else you can connect from another instance and we can try in that way.
Yeah, you are trying to say that, right? Mm, 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 mm. Actually, it is working fine, but I want to create a conflict. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Actually, it is a process for merging. You did right. This the plus minus minus. So this is for actually how to merge the two different branches. Clear?
Hmm.
Git merge feature means you are actually merging with the current branch, feature branch, right? You
Okay.
are merging feature branch into main branch. That successfully happened. But what I thought was I was trying to create a conflict. Clear?
Hmm.
Okay. Can you ask ChatGPT? I need to create a conflict. In I need to create merge conflict.
Right?
Yeah. Okay, got it. Hmm. Okay. So first, what is the first step?
First, we have to create a file in main branch.
Okay. First we have to create initialize Git repository. That's okay. We have all these things, right? mkdir git conflict demo cd. Okay. You go inside. Okay. Create a file and commit. Okay. Fine. 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 That's okay. Got it. So you understood the same thing I did, but little change. Okay. You just take a one folder mkdir. So actually, we have a Git repository. Nothing. You don't need to check it. Can you please go back? So no need to do that. That already initiated with the Git already. Can you please open ChatGPT?
Hmm.
This steps not required initially. Create initial Git repo, right? We have already done that.
Hmm.
Hmm?
That's what first we have to do it
Yes.
in main.
So just go check out first into main Git checkout. Okay. Git checkout hyphen B. One second. One second. Yeah, you did it right. Oh, that's okay. But Git branch Git checkout hyphen B. B means branch. Hyphen B. What is that? Main, right? Main. Keep it in main. Okay, that's great. We'll do one thing. So one is feature branch, one is main branch, right? We also create new branch again. Okay,
Okay.
let's create a branch, um, git branch. So what is the command for creating a branch? You used already.
Yeah, git branch, branch name.
Uh, you can keep branch name. Uh, what would be good? What is a branch? New branch.
Head.
Head also fine. Keep. Yeah, fine. Check the branch. Git branch. Okay. Yeah, it
Yeah,
is created, right? That's fine. So, yeah. Now what we have to do is we have to create a conflict. So in that case, okay, first you need to create branch already you created and you need to switch into new branch. Switch git, what is the command? Git branch, git
without head.
checkout hyphen B. Yeah, that's okay.
Without
Yeah.
hyphen B also we can check out, right?
You can do it. Hyphen B means you are specifically mentioning branch name. Yeah, that's fine. Clear. Sometimes it won't accept. Okay. All right. So next, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. No problem. Let's go back ChatGPT. I want to check it. Yeah. Create a file. Commit commit to main branch. Okay. In our case, main branch is we are going to use two different branches. One is actually what is that? Head. The
Hmm.
other one is
Main.
feature.
Future. Okay.
We are going to use these two because I want to already main branch we already used it, right? So
Yeah.
that's why yeah, copy that ChatGPT file. Yeah, copy that. Wait, don't enter. Yeah, let's use this. Enter. Yes. One second. What is this? Get time initial command main. Okay, got it. Yeah. File name is test.txt. Cat cat test.txt. Yeah, line one, line two, line three are there, right? Yeah, that's fine. Git branch is head. You did in head branch, okay? So no chat GPT, go chat GPT. What it is asking, we need to go into next feature branch. Okay. Uh, Get check out, get check out, yeah. Feature, yeah. What is that?
I think.
No. It is for creating. That's okay. That's okay. Just check. Git checkout feature.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now here also, go ChatGPT once. Yeah. In this, what it is asking to add nano test.txt, and after that something line two. You can copy it, right? Yeah. Same. The branch name is test.txt only. So in head also we used test.txt with line one, line two. Now we are actually only keeping line two. Not like this.
So Nano is to open the file, right?
No. Nano is also for creating file also, right? Keep some content line to. So go to ChatGPT once. There you copy from there. You know, copy from there. Yes. So he actually using Nano. He actually used Nano. No. Scroll down. Yeah, he used Nano text test.txt. Keep these two lines. Yes. Copy. Yes. Copy. Go. Yeah. Paste here. Save it. Control X. Y. Enter. Okay. Cat it. What is the content? The same one, right? Now we just added, correct? So git add dot, no. Git add dot, no, not dot, just test.txt. Enter.
And for this we didn't do it.
Then now we are adding. We'll do it for that also. Go to ChatGPT then. In ChatGPT, what it is suggesting? That's what it, right? Yeah. No. This one you forgot. Then after above that above fifth line, git test add, right? Git commit. So what content is mentioned? Second branch, second line, whatever. Okay, right. Next, go to ChatGPT. Switch back to head, right? In our case,
Yeah.
it check out head. No. You have to use left and right arrows.
Wait.
Copy
Nano.
this. Copy this content. Change from change to main. Yeah. Copy. Yeah. Copied, right? Copy. So enter. Yeah. Line one, line two, line three is there. So which means You checked it, right? You checked it into head. So the previous content it is showing with the same name, correct? So go back to
Mm.
ChatGPT. Yeah. So now, no, earlier you did not added anything, right?
Mm.
Right. Now you need to add now. Add, which means git add. Did you understand?
No, like first,
No, no, no. What I'm trying to say is, um,
see,
the first, second, I understood. In second main feature branch, you added something different content.
mm,
Change line to something. Okay.
and we added that and Git committed that.
Yeah, we did not do
And
this in head yet.
yeah, in head Git.
Yes, we
That's
have
what
to do that. We have to do that. As ChatGPT is showing, can you go back to ChatGPT? I'll let you
okay.
know.
I just
No, no,
want to check
wait.
it. Branch, okay, head
Yeah,
branch.
no, you are in bright head only. That's okay. That's okay. Main in the sense head for us. Okay. Now it is changing that. Switch back to main and make conflicting change means content whatever the test.txt we kept earlier different content. Okay. Now it is saying that you need just make it as same content which you kept in this feature. You understood?
Mm.
In test.txt, whatever you kept the content with the same name, with the same content, it is asking to keep now.
But in future we did line one, line two, line three, right?
Yeah,
The same
right.
thing. Uh,
I understood, Rakesh, but actually, as per ChatGPT, it is telling that to change it as per head,
okay.
as per feature. They want to keep the same content in file. Okay,
Okay, got it,
go
got
to
it.
ChatGPT once. Go to ChatGPT once. Just verify with the main branch and feature branch. Okay, what is the here? Switch back to main branch and make config change.
Okay.
Okay, can you scroll up a bit? Okay, wait. Scroll up, scroll up. Yeah, this conflict when it will show this conflict because two different files are there, right? So now ChatGPT is telling that fifth line, fifth one. It is telling that to add same content as per feature branch. Clear. Earlier we added one, line two, line three. Just forget about it. Now it is asking, it is requesting to keep the same content which you kept in head. You understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Just copy that nano ts dot change that something. It won't work main for us now because we are in head only, right? In this head only, just open the same file. I think just simple with the VI open with test.txt and paste that
Okay.
content. That's it. Remove it. Control C. No need checkout now. Git checkout is not required. You are already in the head, right?
Mm.
So Control C.
One second. It already copied.
Okay, VI test.txt. Not text. It's test.
Second. I think it's created another one.
It will open. Yeah, line one, line two. Remove it. Replace with a new content. No, it won't. It won't go like this. Hmm. Keep the same content as no. Go back. You selected means you copied, which means if you select something, which means you copied. Remove the lines. Rakesh, what I'm saying is just remove it and go to ChatGPT and copy from there. The change whatever the line is there, just yeah, copy that, paste here, save. Yes. Now git add dot test.txt. Okay. Git commit with the some message. Oh, open ChatGPT once. What message it is? Copy that, right? Yeah. Just instead of main, you just make it. What is this branch head? So you edited, right? It is also showing in the message edit line to head.
Mm.
Okay. Save. I mean enter. Okay. So go back, go to ChatGPT. Now we need to merge it, right? Copy. So where are we currently?
We are in head now, right?
Head, right? We want to merge with the feature. Enter.
One second.
Git merge, which means both are actually collaborating each other. Feature. What is this? Conflict.
Automatic works
You got a
complete.
conflict right now, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because the content is same and same name.
Okay.
Clear.
Yeah, yeah.
So this kind of concept will not accept by Git.
Okay. So in the file, the content should not be same.
Yeah, content should not be the same and file name should not be the same.
And file name also should not be the same.
Okay,
Got it.
you just read that.
Mm.
So you
Automatic
merging
mention, right?
test.txt conflict is add merge conflict test.txt.
Mm.
Okay. So anything should be different. Both branches, the file name should be different, content should be different.
Okay.
Clear. So this merge conflict you just keep in mind. Try to explain me what happened.
So first we created a branch name called future, and in that we created a file. Uh, we created a file, and in that we uh, place line 1, line 2, line 3 content, and we just like we just came out of the future and we switched it to another branch called head, and there we created a file. In that file we gave another content, but uh, after coming out of the that content, we just added and committed it. Again we moved to the future branch, and there we added the same content which we add in test, and that content is added and committed. So now in both the files from different branches but has same content. So we try to match these two files with from different branches. It throws a conflict because the content is same.
Yes.
Yeah,
So I will share my screen just for a small discussion. Okay.
yeah.
So here, just keep like that only.
Mm.
No problem. Okay. You see, can you see my screen?
One second.
Is it visible?
One second. It's loading.
Okay.
Yeah,
So I hope you can see some at least some black screen. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So for example, I'm telling. So
Mm.
this is actually. Oh, one sec. This is main branch.
Mm.
Let me take some different place. I think I will use this. Okay. So let me use this. So this is main branch.
Mm.
One second, Rakesh. It's working, right? This
Yeah.
is main branch,
Mm.
okay? And for example, this is main branch is common, okay? For every project. In your project, uh, this branch, okay? This branch name is, um, for example, project one,
Mm.
okay? And other branch is here in this. This is project two. Maybe what I can say, project one only, okay? Project one only, but this is front end, okay?
Mm.
This is project one back end. Clear?
Mm.
Okay. Two different branches, but project is main project only.
Mm.
Clear? See, for example, um, ultimately they want to merge together. Okay, they are actually these developers are working separately, front end team. Okay, for example, in this front end team, maybe if it is React JS, okay, this backend team is Python for suppose. Clear? So what they are doing actually, front end related, they are actually writing the code and pushing it in this branch only. What is the branch? Project branch. In this project front end branch, okay. This is back end branch. So they are writing code Python related, and they are actually keeping, and they are continuously adding it, keeping their code in this back end branch. Clear? But this project came to end. Okay. Finally, they want to merge this project into particular branch which is called as main.
Mm.
Clear? So what they will do is, so this front end team will push the code, okay, and Python team will push the code into main branch. Finally, initially this is different branch and this is different branch, okay. Even though these are all two different branch, ultimately they have to merge into main branch because the code is one. You have to make together if the two different branches should be merged into main branch. Clear?
Mm.
Why? Because one code should be there finally. That code should be appear on top of the screen, correct?
Yeah.
On top of maybe website for suppose in case. Okay. If you want to use this website, first front end and back end should be work. Back end team and front end team are working differently with a different branch first. Okay. Here backend team is working with a different branch. Front end team is working with a different branch. They pushed code, everything they have done actually. Initially, whatever different branches are there, they kept the code here. That's okay.
Mm.
But once after finishing it, they have to merge into particular a branch, main branch. They will be merged into main branch. These people will merge into main branch. Clear? Ultimately, you will get one branch. Okay. This branch is main branch. They will use for project this main branch. Clear? This will be used in production. You understood any confusion?
No, no, no. I'm clear.
So why we are bifurcating branches in the sense to avoid conflicts,
Okay.
issues, separate. If you make the project bifurcation, different branches, then it is easy, clear. Breaking into different branches. Okay, to avoid confusions. Clear. So this is
Yeah.
how developers works actually. Understood?
Yeah, yeah.
And for suppose in this project one you keeping same file. File name is Rakesh with the same content. Here also you are keeping same content with
Mm.
Rakesh name. Whenever you are trying to merge, okay, conflict will occur.
Conflict will happen. So, they will just pass the comments like, "Can you please match these branches?" That's what they say, right? Like, we need to create some branch.
For what?
No, like, what are the roles of DevOps? Like, we need to
Ah,
create
you are talking
branches
about DevOps
accordingly
team.
to the team, right?
No, 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 no. See, DevOps team is not there anywhere here. Okay, so these things will be done by developer only.
Okay, just to understand
Yes,
purpose.
developer will take care all these things. Never, they won't call you every single second, right? They will do multiple merges. They will do multiple pushes, right? Everywhere they can't call you for every small task, right? Developer will take care all these things. Front end developer will take care front end team. Back end team will be taken care by back end code. They will take care all these things. What DevOps engineer will do here? Nothing. Okay, this is for your understanding. For example, there is a conflict in the branch. Okay, some new guy came. Maybe he is junior. He doesn't know. He's actually facing conflict issue. At the time, developers might be busy their work, right?
Okay,
He is calling you as a DevOps engineer. He is calling you to clear this issue
okay,
because any issues happen, definitely they will come to you.
okay,
Because they will tell us actually, oh yeah, back end team, their seniors and superiors will tell, or their okay, the teammates will tell because hey guys, this is actually currently I'm busy. Just contact with the DevOps team. Okay,
okay.
he will contact you at the time. You should know the concept, right?
Got it,
What is the
got
issue? For example, you got a error like conflict. Okay, conflict error you got. You must need to understand that, right? What is the issue? The error should be aware of you,
it.
right? You must aware of that error. Clear? For that purpose, you should be aware of that. All
Okay.
this conflict issues. So what is a solution for it now for you? For merge conflict, what is the issue? What is the solution for it? Share your
So
screen
the
now.
solution is to,
Mm.
uh, we have to make sure that two files has a different.
Names.
One second.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Remove that. Yeah. So do one thing. Do some change. For example, what is the branch current branch?
1 second. I think.
So yeah, in head only. Don't go anywhere. In head only, change the file name. Try to change the file name first. Just check with the different variants.
So in head we have text dot
Test. Make it as a test one. No. Don't use those kind of
test.
one dot txt. No. Go
Ah,
back. Go back. I'm asking to change the file name, not creating new file. Go back. So how to create ls? What are the files are there? So what is your file here?
test dot
Test.txt, right?
txt.
This test.txt, how to change the name of the file?
Ch
I'm asking file name, Rakesh.
file name.
Yes. How to change the file name?
H is to.
You are not doing practice, Rakesh. For change the what is the use of MV
MV is to move file.
and any only for moving the files? MV I said clearly MV is for two ways purpose. One is for changing the name. The other one is changing move the file
Okay.
from one location to other location. Correct?
Okay.
MV. What is your file?
Test dot
Test.txt
txt.
with new name. Keep some different name. Test1.txt. Maybe you might have busy with your works.
Yeah, it
Okay, but do
changed.
practice, okay, regularly.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't leave the Linux commands. Do practice on Linux. You did not get all together after finishing this class. In the sense, it doesn't mean that it's completed.
Yeah, yeah.
Do practice continuously. These small commands, if you don't answer in this, interview, that's not looks fine, right? Okay. So now try to merge file. Just change the file name. That's it, right? Git merge with the feature. Enter. So what is this? Read.
Existing resources of.
No, no, no. What is that error? Merging is not possible because you have unmerged files. So because after changing the name, you have to use git add.
Okay.
Git add. What's the file name? Test one dot. Yes. Git commit hyphen m. Keep that changed file name. Enter. What is the error?
Formatting is not possible because you have unmatched files.
Okay. So fix them up work tree and use git add or remove file. Okay. Appropriate mark resolution. Make commit. Okay. All right. So this is a issue. Once you get a merge issue, this always persists.
Hmm.
Okay. Existing because unresolved conflict. So can you go to ChatGPT once? Resolve the conflict. You see that. You see that.
Hmm.
Text test.txt. It will look something like that. Okay. Open that file after conflict. In console. Try to open the file once. Cat test1.txt. Yeah, this is the way you see, right? So this say you mean one second. So exactly the same. We did not added that, right? It is showing that head branch. See, this line is there, and a
In
feature
future.
branch. This line is there. Both are same. It is showing that clear.
Hmm.
So it is comparing with the two different branches. Clear.
Okay.
So now you need to remove it. Open vi test dot one dot txt. Okay. Open it. Remove that lines that head something that less than. Remove useless data. After conflicting, it is that. Remove the head also. Okay. You can keep last two lines. Last lines. Okay. So this is the content. Just save it. Did
Hmm.
you save?
Hmm.
Okay. So now you do it, which means add it. Git add. So which means you arranged the data properly. So it is comparing it. Okay, git commit. So already you have this command earlier used. Anyways, that's fine. Content changed or anything. So what is the issue again?
Again, committing is not possible because you have unmatched files.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Wait. Try to merge it now. It doesn't work. Right? That's fine. That's fine. We'll do it once again. Uh, Open that file, previous file. Open va test1.txt. Okay. change, make it as below that line 2. Just interchange the lines. Yeah, yeah, remove that first line. Upper arrow, yes, just save it. Git add dot anything. This one dot txt. Okay, git commit. You can keep a fixed conflict something. Wait, what is this?
Same error.
Error is committing is not possible because you have unmerged files. Fix up them. Okay, fatal existing because of unresolved conflict. Okay, go to that branch, previous branch, feature branch. Git checkout.
Oh,
What happened? Checkout spelling. Okay, so cat here. So what is the 1 second? 1 second is showing that test.txt needs merge. Okay, so do it. Merge now. Git merge with the what is that? Head. Okay, so issue is there. Cat file name. No, this file is not there, right? Cat ls.
which we are in which branch?
You are in May. I
We're
think
still
head.
in head.
Okay, you did not checked out.
Even it's not changing.
Yeah, understood. Yeah, you understood, right? Index. You added it actually, but it you did not committed it, right? So until it resolves, it doesn't change also. This is a big issue. Understood? So this will not resolve if you don't resolve this in production environment or something like it will be a big problem. Okay.
Okay.
So yeah, take that error now. So let us see what ChatGPT will suggest. Okay.
One
Do that
second.
from here itself. From merge also you can take.
Yeah, yeah. 1 second. I'm getting a call.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, Rakesh. So we are doing fine only, but something it is stopping us actually.
Hmm.
Actually, we are doing fine only. We are
Yeah.
following the same properly, but still. Okay. So come down, scroll down. Your error is seeing that you are not possible because unmatched files fix up in the work tree. Okay, as appropriate math resolution and make it commit. Okay, but we are trying to commit, but existing because an unresolved conflict. Okay, scroll down. Here is the fixed setup. Okay, git status. Okay, git status.
ఏంటి బాయ్ అది? ఏంటిది? మ్మ్. ఓకే. యా, యా. లోకేష్.
Yeah.
న్యూ
So
ఫైల్ ఇస్.
that's okay. That's okay. Committed. That new file is committed, but it is not able to connect commit this test1.txt. Okay. Can you ls make it ls once? Is this existed still test1.txt? No, right?
చెక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద వన్.
Okay. Use git add file. Okay, Ramar. But we are trying, but it is not happening, right? So,
Yeah,
but
this text file is not there, but here it's showing unmatched paths text.txt.
yeah, we changed the file. Okay, that's it.
Ah.
Do one thing. Instead of changing the test a file name, we'll change. Already we have changed the content inside, right?
Mm.
So do one thing. Make it as mv test.txt test1.txt. So I'm keeping original name as it is. Okay, test.txt txt. Enter. 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 Yeah. So now try to commit. So I think uh, git add test.txt commit hyphen m changed. That's it. That's it. Enter. Yeah, you changed it. Git merge. What is the branch? Head, right? Git
Mm.
merge with the feature.
No, we are in head, I guess.
Yeah, we need to do feature. feature.
Mm.
Enter. You did it. Okay. So now it's resolved. Issue got resolved.
Okay.
Okay. So which
Mm.
means what mistake was actually I tried to change the file name actually. That file name we should not
Yeah,
change.
yeah, got it.
And simultaneously we have changed the file name and also content. But the thing is, we actually added the file name with the test1.txt. After that, we changed the file name, right? So actually, earlier file was test.txt that is saved in index, which means staging area. The
Mm.
staging area backup file is actually, I already told you that this is a kind of tracking. Okay, staging
Okay.
area will save the content. I mean, whatever you add, but you changed the file name, but it is not recognizing. That's what
Yeah,
we did
yeah.
mistake. It is our side, clear mistake. Once after changing the file name, it is the issue got resolved.
Okay.
Clear.
Yeah.
So this is how we can simple in future. If anything happened like this
Mm.
conflicts, first check
Mm.
with the file name,
Okay.
then check with the files content both. Okay. So
Okay.
if you check with the file inside, if you see like greater than, double greater than, triple greater than like this, so you can
Mm.
understand there is a conflict with the so and so file. It will show that.
Mm. Got
So
it.
then what will happen is, then again you can understand that, oh, these two files having such conflict. So you need to change at least one file. You clear understand? If
Yeah.
there is any conflict with the head end feature, at least you need to change with one file, or you need to interchange the data. That's it.
Yeah, yeah. Got it.
So then it will be resolved. Again, you need to add and commit. Then it will be resolved.
Mm.
You understood, right? The content should not be the same, and
Yeah.
files should not be the same. For example, if the files are same and content would be different, that again a problem. And files are same, content with the different, also same issue will be
Yeah.
there.
We
And
have to make
content
sure
is
that there
different.
should be no same content in it.
Yeah, same
If it is
content
there, we
with
need
different names.
to make lot of changes in it, and
Yeah. So
yeah.
conflict will happen with the same content with the different names also. Conflict happen. Different file, different data, different content inside. Okay, with the same file name in the same different branches.
Okay.
Different branches with the same file name also problem. Different branches with the same different content also with the same name also problem. Okay. So if the content is same inside the file with the different names of the file in the different branches, also it's a problem.
Okay.
Okay, file name should be different and content should be different. Okay, this is how we can able to resolve it. Okay, and for example, you added mistakenly you added some file. Okay, here actually you added here both added something is there, right? Test.txt. If you want to reset back, again your problem is actually you facing some problem that you have mistakenly added file. Clear? You
Okay.
understood?
Yeah, yeah.
Mistakenly you added file test.txt. You want to reset back. Okay, use git reset. You add something, git add, or vi do some change. Otherwise, you won't take it. Vi, what is the file name? Test.txt. Add some extra line with the spaces or something 1 2 3 like that. 1 2 3 or like that's it. Save it. Okay, now you just add it. Git add test.txt. Test.txt. Yeah, enter. Yeah, now this is actually added. Git no. Git
Don't
diff.
commit.
Git diff.
It
Diff.
diff.
Enter. Okay, see this? There is
Mm.
a change. Okay. Recent is actually you added some file.
Mm.
Okay. Um, Git status. See here. Test test.txt you added something. Clear? Green color.
It's in modified.
This there is a statement is modified. Clear?
Mm.
So in
Mm.
this case you did something. It is actually stored in stage index area. Clear?
Okay.
So now you want to reset means you need to use git reset.
Okay.
Git reset. Enter. Right, that's it. It's changed. Git status. No. Yes. Right. It is
Okay.
revised.
Now it's not. Yeah.
Okay.
It
Yeah.
became the same value.
Yeah. So for example, you have done commit also. You want
Yeah.
to
Here,
you want to
no
take it
changes
back.
added to commit. Okay.
Sorry.
Here, no changes added to commit. Like we just added, not committed, right?
Yes. But in
Yeah.
case if you did changes in commit also, you want to take it back. There is a command called revert. Git revert.
Okay. Git
Try
revert.
to commit it now after adding.
One second. One second.
Git add dot
Git
add
reset.
dot
Git command. Revert.
yeah revert git
Yeah.
revert.
Git
So
add
git add dot test
test.
dot. That's okay. Anything is fine. Only new changes will take. That's okay. So now git commit with random characters. Anything.
Make revert.
Done. That's it. That's it. That's enough. Okay. Enter. So you committed, right? So
Yeah.
now you want to take it back. Git revert.
On git status. No.
Yeah. Git status. Do it. Where is that?
It committed. So it went
Yeah.
to the
Git.
git repo.
Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. Here. Um, Git committed,
Committed.
right? You already committed, right?
Yeah.
Do one thing. Git log log hyphen hyphen. Yeah. Yeah. 1 second. You can't identify this many. So I want in one line. So Q. Yeah. So now git log
Git log hyphen.
hyphen one line hyphen one line in one line one line.
Hmm?
Enter. Yes. Enter. Yes. Clear. Now you do one thing. For example, git show Git show. Where is your commit here? Uh,
Commit is initial commit on
recent one. It
initial
is
commit
it
is
is
here.
initial. No, no, something you mentioned, right? Commit. What is the commit message?
Make it.
Make it. Where is it? Something first one.
There
Yeah,
it
that
is.
that is the one. Copy that ID. Yeah, copy that. Paste that. Git show space. Enter. Enter. Yeah. See this? The change.
Mm.
Okay. Change a H of H of H. If you want
Yeah,
to
yeah,
see the change like that.
got it.
Now git revert that commit ID. You got it right. How to get the commit ID?
Yeah, yeah.
Git revert. Paste. Enter.
Wait. Ah,
Right.
yeah. Changes
Then
to be committed, modified. Changes not staged for committed to be.
git revert commit ID after used. So then just ignore it. That's it. Okay. It's reverted. Control exit.
Oh,
Quit. Quit.
quit. Escape.
So it is telling that you reverted. Make it. You understood? It is showing that whatever it is opened, it is showing that you reverted. You see this?
Yeah,
Revert. Make it. Changes. Whatever one file changed. Clear?
yeah,
So you reverted back. That means clear. Git
yeah.
log hyphen one line again. You see this. You reverted. That you see that revert make it
Yeah.
clear.
Mm.
So that's how you can use it. Clear.
Yeah.
So that's enough. I think so.
Mm.
Right.
Good. Oh,
So
sorry.
let's close this. Okay. Do practice, Rakesh.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Do practice. We'll start the shell scripting. After that, you can start with the Docker.
Okay.
Or else, if you want Docker, I can start with the Docker.
Yeah, I will practice today.
No, no. Next class I'm talking about.
Mm.
So if you want to start with Docker, I can start with the Docker. If you want to skip it, I can skip this shell scripting.
No, no, no. You can go with shell scripting.
Okay.
And
So
also,
tomorrow,
Lokesh, are we done? Hello?
yeah, I'm there here, Rakesh.
Yeah, so regarding the money part, tomorrow I will share you.
No
Like,
problem. We'll discuss in chat, Rakesh. It's a live class, right?
oh, okay.
That's fine.
Okay, you are
Commercial part we talk in chat or call.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tomorrow shell script we are going to start.
Mm.
Okay. And my request is don't skip the classes. So this is not practice for you. There will be a different class will be there for you can take your own time for practice.
Okay.
Consider this is actually kind of mentorship. Okay, I'm doing mentorship for you. So this is not your practice class. Clear? So I'm already teaching with the theoretical. I'm also teaching with the practical with the lab session, and also I'm also sitting with you. Clear?
Yeah.
Just be focused on it. Do practice continuously. If you don't do practice, you will forget everything.
Okay.
Okay. So if I ask the questions again, you have to sit like your empty faces.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Make some time for this practice. Do continuously. Then only you will be forget. You will be for perfect. Otherwise, you will forget.
Okay.
right? That's it. Okay. So tomorrow we'll start with the shell scripting. When you are available at the same time, or you can connect
Same
anytime.
time, same time.
Okay, let's make it possible in between 8 to 9. Okay,
Yeah, yeah,
anything is fine. Okay.
yeah. It is fine for me.
Yeah, yeah, that's okay. If sometimes I can take 7:30 or 8, also not a big deal.
Yeah, it's fine.
And if not possible, because if not possible, I can take it 9.
Yeah, I also joined in the gym.
Yeah, yeah. So be available in this day, during this time.
Okay,
So after 7:30, make yourself free,
okay, okay.
right?
Yeah,
Okay, Rakesh. Have a good day. Do practice
yeah.
and revise your all the topics every day.
Okay.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, bye.
Good day.